Blizzards. Blizzards. Focus question. What is a blizzard and how does it affect people? The Great White Hurricane. On a March Sunday in 1888, it began to rain in New York. The temperature dropped quickly as night fell. The rain turned to ice, then the snow. On Monday, people woke to holding wings. Snow piled high in the street. The Great White Hurricane lasted 3 long days. The storm buried the northeastern United States. When it's over, more than 400 people had died. The storm caused millions of dollars in damage. It would be summer before the last of the snow would melt. The blizzard of 1888 was one of the worst storms in history. Extreme storms. 3 things turn a snowstorm into blizzards: strong winds, blinding snow, and freezing cold. In a blizzard, winds blow at speeds of 35 miles, 56 kilometers miles per hour. They blow for at least 3 hours. Wind gusts may even reach a hurricane force of 77 miles, 118 kilometers per hour or more. The winds whip snow through the air, making it hard to see. This is known as a whiteout. A whiteout is when no people can see anything more than a quarter of a mile, 4 to 2 miles away. Safe travel is nearly impossible during a whiteout. Blowing winds also create something called wind chill. The wind chill causes the body to lose heat faster. Skin feels like it is air that is much colder. Wind chill can cause bare skin to freeze. Wood-wise, the wood blizzards are originally meant a violent hit or blow. It was used to describe such fire from a small town. Lower newspaper was the first to use it to describe a powerful snowstorm in 1870s. Root of a blizzard. Blizzards begin as snowstorms. A layer of moist, warm than mist, cold air. Clouds form and the water in them freezes into flakes. The flakes fall from the sky as snow. Blizzard country. Blizzards can happen anywhere there is snow. There is a greater chance of them happening in some places than others. The east coast of the United States is one such place. Storms called nor'easter often hit this area. A nor'easter can last for several days and brings lots of snow. Sometimes a snowstorm begins in western Canada. It then traveled quickly across the American plains and heads east. This type of snowstorm called an Alberta clipper. Clippers don't bring a lot of snow. They are known instead of for the strong winds and picking snow cold. Many of North America blizzards start out as snowstorms that are nor'easter or butter clippers. Being prepared and staying safe. The mix of wind, snow and cold makes blizzards dangerous. Years ago, blizzards caught people by surprise. Today it's easier to know when and where blizzards will take a nest. This gives people time to prepare. They can make sure they have batteries and flashlights in case of power loss. Families can make sure they have enough food and water to last for several days. They can hurry home before the snow starts. Once they are prepared, people should settle in and wait out the storm. The best place to be in a blizzard is inside. In time, the storm will end. Then it could be safe to have fun in the snow it left behind. Connections, writing an art. Imagine being in the middle of a blizzard. Write a journal entry about what happened, including how you prepared for the blizzards and what you saw. Sons, use a Venn diagram to compare a blizzard with another type of storm. Share your Venn diagram with a partner.